Did you know that oatmeal isn't just a hearty breakfast option, but also a secret weapon for revitalizing skin? Yes, that's right. The humble oatmeal that's probably sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now is a potent skin rejuvenator. It's packed with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that work wonders in treating dry skin and gently removing dead skin cells. But that's not all. Oatmeal also possesses excellent moisturizing properties. It helps to hydrate the skin, leaving it soft, smooth, and glowing. It's also known for its skin lightening effects, helping to even out skin tone and reduce dark spots. Plus, its healing properties help to repair skin damage and promote healthy skin regeneration. With all these incredible benefits, it's no wonder oatmeal is a key ingredient in many DIY skincare recipes. And that's what we're focusing on today. With such amazing benefits, it's no wonder that oatmeal is a key ingredient in our face mask recipe today. To make this face mask, we only need two simple yet powerful ingredients: oatmeal and water. Let's begin with oatmeal. This humble breakfast staple is a skincare superstar. Packed with natural saponins, oatmeal has remarkable cleansing properties. It can help remove dirt and oil from your pores without stripping away your skin's natural moisture. Moreover, oatmeal is an excellent moisturizer. It contains compounds called polysaccharides, which form a gel-like layer when mixed with water. This layer helps lock in the moisture and keeps your skin soft and supple. But that's not all. Oatmeal is also a natural anti-inflammatory agent. It can soothe irritated skin, reduce redness, and even help with conditions like eczema or acne. Now let's move on to water. The ultimate hydrator, water plays a crucial role in maintaining skin hydration. Hydrated skin is plump, smooth, and less prone to wrinkles. Plus, water aids in flushing out toxins from your skin. It helps keep your pores clean and reduces the likelihood of breakouts. We all know that drinking enough water is vital for our overall health, but applying it topically, especially in combination with oatmeal, can bring about noticeable changes in your skin's health and appearance too. Just these two ingredients, and we're all set to create a natural, nourishing face mask. Now, on to the exciting part, creating our skin-nourishing oatmeal face mask. The first step is akin to making your breakfast, sans the sugar and milk. Take a small pot and boil some water in it. Once the water is bubbling away happily, it's time to stir in the star of our show, the oatmeal. Add the oatmeal slowly, stirring continuously to prevent any lumps from forming. It's like making a roux, but instead of butter and flour, we're using water and oats. As the oatmeal and water mingle, they'll begin to form a thick paste-like consistency. This is exactly what we're aiming for. A smooth, creamy paste that will spread easily on your skin. Now comes the hard part, waiting. Allow the oatmeal paste to cool down before you apply it to your face. We want to nourish your skin, not scorch it. While waiting, you can take this time to relax, maybe sip on some green tea, or simply enjoy the anticipation of the skin pampering that's about to come. Once the oatmeal mask has cooled down to a comfortable temperature, apply it generously on your face. Let it sit for a good 15 to 20 minutes, letting the oatmeal do its magic. Remember, patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to skincare. And there you have it, a refreshing, rejuvenating oatmeal face mask, ready to do wonders for your skin. Now that you've seen how easy it is to whip up this oatmeal face mask, it's time for you to give it a try. Imagine the satisfaction of creating your own skincare routine with simple, natural ingredients. Oatmeal and water. Who would have thought it could be this simple? Experience the magic of this humble grain and its power to nourish and rejuvenate your skin. And remember, it's not a one-time miracle cure. Consistency is the secret ingredient here. Make this mask a part of your weekly skincare routine and let the oatmeal work its wonders over time. You'll soon be basking in the glow of your own skin, reaping the benefits of nature's own beauty treatment. And who knows, you might even inspire others to embark on their own DIY skincare journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more easy DIY skincare solutions. Here's to glowing skin naturally.